everyone, welcome. I'm Jawline and today's video is about how to contour for beginners. Now, contouring is a way to enhance and change your face shape using makeup. There are different tools and techniques you can use to achieve your desired contour. For example, there are stick contours and powder bronzers that you can use and different brush sizes as well. And depending on your face, the way you apply your contour changes as well. This video is for beginners who want to start contouring but don't know where to start or what tools to use. I'll be showing you some basic bronzing tips in this video. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's get chiseled. Now, if this is your first time trying it out, I recommend using powders over creams because they're easier to blend and control. And make sure you choose a shade 1 or 2 darker than the foundation you're using. There are different brushes you can use while contouring. There are angle brushes and sort of a fluffy type of brush. So in this video, I'm going to use this flat but puffy at the top, this type of brush. I think it's very easy to control if this is your first time blending with powder. Step 1, cheekbones. To cheat your way to chiseled cheekbones, first, suck in your cheeks and see where the line appears. Then using a brush, brush the contour powder into the hollowed part. Now, quick Johnny tip. I like to use this motion of just swiping downwards because going back and forth can make your bronzer look patchy. So just swipe down, just like that. And what I also like to do is contour higher than where actually my cheekbone, the hollow part is. So a little bit higher than that, so on my cheekbone. And that is going to help my face lift up just a little bit and does not make my face look droopy. And there you have it. Step 2, forehead. If you want to make your forehead appear smaller, buff the contour powder into your hairline and blend. With your forehead, you really want to blend it into your hairline, or else you're going to have this streak of just dark brown line here. Well, you want to make it look as natural as possible. So blend it all the way up there. Just dig in. And there you have it, smaller forehead. Step 3, jawline. For a defined jawline and slimmer neck, brush the dark powder along the jawline, around your chin, then blend down to create a shadow. For a defined jawline, you want to use the same motion and go downwards and really create that nice chiseled line. And then you want to also connect with your neck as well to make your neck look slimmer. So go ahead and go to the back and just brush down like that. Step 4, nose. Using a thinner brush, you can slim down your nose by creating 2 lines starting at the front of your eyebrow to the tip of your nose. Let's transform our nose. So start by drawing 2 lines, going up like that, and going up like that. And then what next is, where your eyebrow starts, so kind of connect it down like that. It really helps elongate your nose. And just remember to go lightly with this. You can always build up, but once you applied it, you can't really take it out, so be gentle. Cut it at the end. I like to draw a little line across the tip of my nose to really enhance that tip. You call it button nose. It's kind of trending right now. So I like to sort of add that and create a little bit of tip. And to really enhance your nose, add a highlighter at the tip and at the bridge of your nose to really make it pop. Tip like that. And the bridge. Once you finish your contour, add blush and highlighter, and you're done. Alright, that is it from me. I hope you guys found this video really helpful. Always remember that makeup takes time and you need to do a few tries before you can master it. So practice, practice, and practice. Comment down what you want to see next here on Beauty Farm. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!